Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute owl. This is a very easy tutorial. So take your markers and let's draw together.
Feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of my everyday drawing lessons. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.